back, digital comrades. Today we dive into a question that stirs many. Which blockchains are the fastest? Let's break down the latest stats and see who's pulling ahead. But before we get into it, take a look at this graph. You might need it to compare the speed of blockchains. The x-axis shows how much adoption a chain has in reality. The thing is, no matter how fast your chain is, if nobody uses it, that amazing speed doesn't mean a thing. After all, when your chain is deserted, you can always claim it's super fast. Well, of course, because there are no users and it's never congested. This perfectly illustrates the fact that the true potential of a blockchain only shows when it becomes popular and can support fast transaction processing. We're talking not just about speed, but also about the level of network adoption. That's why we consider a dual-axis chart here. If you want to pick a blockchain, it should ideally be both widely adopted and extremely fast. If you've managed to find such a network, congratulations, you're one step ahead of the rest. Now, let's plug into some practical knowledge and finally find out which blockchain is the fastest. Recently, Solana has become the fastest among large blockchains. Its actual transactions per second, known as TPS, reached a record high of 1,154 TPS on April 6th this year, despite all that meme coin mania. This result makes Solana 46 times faster than Ethereum and more than 5 times faster than Polygon, which has the highest TPS among Ethereum scaling solutions. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Despite holding the title of the fastest blockchain, Solana is using only 1.6% of its theoretical maximum speed, which is 65,000 TPS. It's certainly surprising, but even more shocking is that on average, non-EVM blockchains are almost 4 times faster than their Ethereum virtual machine counterparts. Before we dive deeper into this world of crypto innovation, let me remind you that EVM stands for Ethereum Virtual Machine, a computation engine that implements smart contracts and updates the state of the Ethereum blockchain after a block is added. Now, with this new knowledge in your arsenal, let's take SUI as an example. This blockchain hit an impressive 854 TPS in July 2023, thanks largely to the popular game SOI 8192. But this is only part of the picture. When it comes to non-EVM blockchains, we must mention the TON blockchain, which is supposed to be able to process millions of transactions per second and aims to reach hundreds of millions of users. During a live stream in October 2023, hosted by the TON Foundation, the TON blockchain set a world record, reaching 104,715 TPS. For this test, the TON team rented 256 servers from Alibaba Cloud for validator nodes. Then they created a special BOM smart contract which cloned itself and continuously transmitted transactions, so the load on the network grew exponentially. So, my crypto comrades, we've covered the first part of this intriguing topic. Wait for the next video to stay ahead of the blockchain curve. See you after reconnecting.